Here are the first three numbers in Latin. Unus, duo, tres. Let's put these to use. Unus ursas. You've heard of Ursa Major, right? So this shouldn't be too hard to remember. And unus is kind of like unity. Duo ursi. Tres vaccae. The hard part about the first three numbers is that they decline. The word for cow is a first declension noun, so how do we say one cow? Una vacca. The word vaccine comes from this word, so we can remember it by thinking, I'll get a vaccine for mad vacca disease. And here is two cows. Duae vaccae. Do you remember the word for cat? This is actually a feminine noun, so one cat would be una felis. And two is duae feles. So let's review the declensions. Una, unus, duae, duo, tres, tres. Pretty easy, right? But this is only the nominative case. If it's unus canis, a third declension noun, just like felis, how do we say I have one dog? Unum canum habeo. But actually we can just say canum habeo when it's just one. And you have two dogs would be duos canes habes. Tres is easy. It's the same for accusative and nominative. So I see three dogs is tres canes video. Let's learn some more numbers. What does this mean? Quattor vaccae. 4 cows. Thankfully, the numbers 4 through 10 don't decline. Quinque aves. The singular form is avis, which is clearly related to avian, so this is 5 birds. Sex porcae. 6 pigs. Let's review the numbers we've looked at so far. Unus, duo, tres, quattor, quinque, sex. If you know the numbers in Spanish or Italian, these should be fairly easy. And the animals that were introduced were vacca, ursas, canis, and avis. Here's another easy one. Lion is leo, and here we have septem leones. This is a third declension noun, so the plural is just like feles, canes, and aves. Now, quinque aves et tres aves sunt octo aves. So 5 birds and 3 birds are 8 birds. And quattor vaccae et quinque aves sunt nauem animalia. Do you notice a pattern here? We have septem, octo, nauem. So what is 10? Decem. These numbers became the names of the months, although the numbers are off by 2. See if you can count from 1 to 10 now. Unus, duo, tres, quattor, quinque, sex, septem, octo, nauem, decem. And now try to give the singular and plural form of each animal shown. Ursas, ursi, canis, canes, vacca, vaccae, avis, aves, felis, feles, leo, leones, porcus, porci,